It's available. The reference price was $45 a share. Of the platform businesses that have IPO'd in the past few months, this is easily one of the strongest, very strong business, very strong platform dynamics. It's Roblox public listing day. It's not an IPO, it's a direct listing. They raised their additional capital in a private fundraising round. And so they're not actually raising any capital from this, from going public today. Instead, they're just listing their shares so they can be traded publicly by anyone. Roblox CEO David rang the bell this morning on the New York Stock Exchange. Here's the video. Okay, there we go. He rang the bell. Now, you actually are not able to buy the shares exactly as of 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Instead, it takes some time for the stock to actually go fully live and available for retail investors. Broker-dealers are able to submit buy and sell orders, and that will actually help figure out exactly what the price is when the share becomes publicly available for everyone, retail investors included, to buy the stock. That's part of this direct listing process, different than an IPO structure, which we've talked about before on the show. Here is David being interviewed by Andrew Sorkin on CNBC shortly after ringing the bell this morning.
Reference price of $45 a share, valuing Roblox at about $30 billion. Joining us first on CNBC is Roblox founder and CEO David Baszucki, known in my house as builderman. David, you know this. All we talk about in my household with my children is your company. They're more excited about this interview than any other interview I think we've ever done on Squawk. So you've got that going for you. Congratulations on the listing today. Let's talk about the story, though, and what happens to this company in a post-pandemic world. You've had incredible growth. This was a company that was valued at just $4 billion basically a year ago, now worth $30 billion. The revenue has also been on fire, but of course, losses pile up at the same time. Tell us how you're thinking about what this company even looks like a year from now, given how unique this past 12 and 18-month period has been.
Hey, first, Andrew, thanks for having us on the show. And what a great day for the Roblox community as well. We know a lot are watching us, and we're just so grateful to be here, and we appreciate it. We hope COVID ends as soon as possible. We want to get back to normal. Roblox has been growing for 15 years, driven by our community, driven by the awesome content, driven by our creators, and driven by the ability for people to do things together. That's a long-term growth path, and we believe that continues forward even after COVID.
Roblox is now up. It's available. The reference price was $45 a share. It has now actually gone open at about $64.50. That would value the company at close to $45 billion, maybe $43 billion. So you can go get your Roblox shares. Roblox is a platform business. It'll absolutely be in Platt when Platt rebalances. And this company is just such a strong platform business. Does it make sense at $64? Will it go higher? Will it go lower? It's very hard to predict the stock market these days. So I'm not in a position to really give strong advice. I'm buying it just for the sake of participating in the story of Roblox. But who knows what's going on with what is actually an appropriate valuation. That said, of the platform businesses that have IPO'd in the past few months, this is easily one of the strongest platform businesses that you could buy stock in when you look at their ability to generate free cash flow, when you look at their growth, when you look at their bookings to revenue ratios, which we've talked a lot about, people, just paying real world money for Roblox bucks, Robux, that digital currency of theirs, and how they recognize revenue. Just a very strong business, very strong platform dynamics. I think long term, this company is going to be very successful. They've been running it for over 15 years. So it took a long time for it to get to this point. And David has been at the helm that whole time, and they've got a great team over there. So I think it's a really great business. Go get yourself some Roblox and enjoy. Hi, this is Alex from Winner Take All. Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoyed the content. Feel free to leave a comment, ask us questions, and definitely make sure to join us on our next live stream.